chop shop. Today we're putting in a new orbital valve. Here you can see my old orbital valve and my new orbital valve. Not much difference, right? Let's see. Yeah, this one's about a ½ inch longer. It's got a different section right here. So this is a non-load reactive and this is a load reactive. So we'll be getting a little bit of load sense when we drive in a straight line and make sure the steering column fits. If that's it, we're good, because everything else I know is the right fittings already. So one thing I found over the years, working in my shop and working full time, is it's a pain in the butt to have to go out to your service truck to get tools as you need them. So I've tried to build a set in my shop separate from my set at work. And as I have to go get tools from my toolbox in my truck more than once or twice, I go, yeah, I kind of need one of those at the house. So all these extra tools. All right. All right. Okay, there's that orbital valve. That's how easy that is. So much easier than a steering column, right? That's good. I'm happy. It fits. I did buy this steering box from the same people I bought this steering box from, so. Oh, it's even the same brand. What do you know? Cool. Nice. ZI Hydraulics. All right, I can see this will be fun. Main thing is that fits, it's good. All right, we're finished, and as you can see, it doesn't look much different, and it shouldn't. That was the whole point. We'll top off the fluids and test it, and make sure, see what kind of results we get from going from non-load reactive to a load reactive valve. I really hope it gives me a little feedback. That was the ultimate goal. I'd say that's a success. It works good. So far, so good. I think it works great. I'm gonna keep it. We'll see how it is wheeling. I think it'll be just fine though. It doesn't give you feedback on the wheel, which is fine. It's a hydraulic steering system, I get it. But it definitely recenters the wheels and lets it go a little bit. So we'll see if that equates to a pain in the butt on the rocks when you're trying to keep a wheel planted. I think that's a tiny little sacrifice to pay to have a dual purpose rig, one that you can drive on the street. Not that I drive it on the street a lot, but in instances like this where I got to go across the road to get to the off-road park, it should do just fine. Till next time, Joe's Chop Shop.